Good afternoon, everyone. There is an app Google Forms. It is a very useful app for taking attendance, and it is very simple and easy way to use. There is a Google Forms. You can download it from Google Chromes, and there is an icon here on the screen. Forms app. In this app, after downloading, you just click on and see here there are two options here, Google Forms and Survey Heart. Survey Heart is for practicing. Google Forms, you click on the Google Forms and you can create a forms here. There is a plus sign here down. You can click this plus sign and create a form. Here there is a option create a blank form. You can click in this create blank form and you can type the title here, attendance sheet. You can type here attendance sheet, class and section. Example 6th. If you want to give section wise, you can type the section here. You can create a section wise, means one form for each section. So I am creating a one form for 6th A, and if the description you want, you can give here 6th A only. 6th A only you can type, because only one section students can give attendance. Then after that you click the tick mark and click the plus sign here, and you get here short answer, long answer. You can click the short answer and type here name. Already you have given section, so you can type name and class. Whatever you want you can type. You can type name and class. So students will type here name and the class. If you want section also, you can give section. If you have typed in the title, no need to give here. As you like, you can give the title here and click the submit option. And as soon as you click the submit option, you get the 4 options. If you want the children email address, you click the first option. No need of collecting their email address. So second and fourth option is here important. Second option is for one response, means one child will give only one attendance. That is important. So you give here one, limit to one response. And the third one, allow responders to edit response after submit. Means if we give this option, they can edit again and again. So no need of giving this option. So fourth option, allow responders to view summary. So we will see the summary in the Google Drive app. So we should give here. Okay, so 2 options you can select, second and fourth, and click the submit option. Click the submit option and you will be creating form like this. So you have to wait for creating a form. After creating a form, the form is created successfully. If you want to share, you can click the copy link and paste it on your students' WhatsApp group, and they will click the link and they will post here. And see here, you have created the list is here, attendance sheet of 6th A. Okay, you can click here and the sheet you will get. So here there is a 3 dots. If you click the attendance sheet and you click it is waiting, you will get here view form. You can see the forms, view responses, how many children have given attendance. You can see here now 0 is given because I did not send the link. When you send the link and the students will give attendance, you can see here view response. And if you want to make for other sections, you can click the duplicate form and create for other section. You can just change the section 6th A, B, C, D, E, and you can do it. And if you don't want, you can delete the form and create a new form. There are many options here, you can use it. Next, after this creating, you send the link and the students will give a attendance. After giving the attendance, I have an example to show you. Yesterday I have taken attendance. See here, 59 students have given attendance. So you can click this view response and it will open. You have to wait for some times, it will be opening. After opening, you can see the list of the students, how many have given attendance. And you can open it in the Google Drive also. You can close this and go to the Google Drive option and click there. Google Drive, you will get the attendance here on 6th AB social attendance I have taken on 14th May. You can click this option and click, there are many options here, it will wait. Responses, you click on the responses and see here down you can see the many students have given the attendance section wise. 2 sections I have given, so 2 section. If you select one section students will be given attendance here, you can see. And if you want to see the summary, you can open it on Excel. You can click this and you can open it on Excel and edit whatever you want. You can edit here. If any students left over and they request you to type the name, you can type their name here. Some students have left, rest all have given. So you can save it in your drive and keep it date wise, you can save it. This is an easy app and only students get the form, not the list. Okay, so they cannot edit anything. You are the one creator and you are the one the see responses, and you can edit here and save it anywhere you want. This is an app, easy app, Google Forms app. Thank you.